This video is to explain the technical solution which we have created as part of Red Hat and AWS OpenHack 2020. In this technical solution, I am trying to collect data from a real-time video source. So for example, social media or a security camera, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and then using a program, Python program, I am feeding that into is Amazon Kinesis service. From there, a Lambda function gets triggered and does real-time video and real-time image processing, and also stores that information into DynamoDB as well as S3 components. And then I also have another application developed in .NET Core which can further process these videos and images using Amazon Rekognition service, perform text analysis, video analysis, image and audio, and based on that notifications can be sent to the smart devices. Part of this solution, we are hosting this on the Red Hat OpenShift platform, and both these solutions, a Python program and a .NET Core application. We use the built-in features like registry, DevOps, role-based access, etc. So going a little deep into how these different solutions are structured. So as I spoke, there is a Python application, there is a .NET Core application. The Python application is the one that interacts with the external system, and then using the Kinesis service and the Lambda function stores the video frames in JPEG format in the Amazon S3 bucket, as well as the real-time analysis in DynamoDB. We have this .NET Core application which can perform late analysis. For example, you want to find objects within the picture, or you want to do a analysis later on items stored in Amazon S3 or online anywhere, and combine the power of Amazon Rekognition and other AWS services to perform these detailed analysis. So it's a Python based solution, .NET Core based application, hosted on Red Hat OpenShift container platform, serverless using Lambda and microservices, Python and .NET Core applications, uses scalable AWS services like S3, Kinesis, Rekognition, etc., stores media onto the S3 device, storage system, and then can perform analytics in DynamoDB or for batch processing, which can later be used for reports, dashboards, etc. SNS based notification. It's a fully automated DevOps and CI/CD solution using OpenShift features and best practices, and the entire AWS stack has been created using the CloudFormation scheme. So here's the view of our OpenShift container platform. We have this .NET solution here, which we have triggered auto build, fetch the source code from the repo and host it on the platform, and here's the URL which is exposed, and this image analysis and video analysis. This is the batch, this is the later on, once we go into individual file analysis. This is the actual crux of it, right now hosted on one pod, but can use the auto scaling feature. So let me show you some real-time example how this works. So this is the container, the Python program that I was talking about. This is hosted on the OpenShift platform. What I will do is my phone is now acting as a webcam, and that is hosted on this URL. And what I will do is I will instruct the solution to capture that. Now this will log into my webcam, and my webcam, I am moving it in my room, and you will see that it started sending images to the Kinesis service. So it has sent few frames now. I have moved my phone in the room, and now what I will do is I'll disconnect this connection. Now the Python program that I was talking about has done its work. What it has done now, we'll take a look. We will take a look at the S3 bucket first, and what it has done now is that some frames it captured have been put into this S3 bucket. So you will see something done just very recently, 10th Feb 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And if I download this picture, you will see that it's from my room, the ceiling fan and myself in the picture. Not a very good looking picture because it could not use the flash and other accessories, but if we have a good quality camera, the results will be better. What other analysis it has done is, in background it called the recognition service and has stored all the information into this DynamoDB. So for example, let's take a look. So some of the frames it could find the adapter, which is my laptop adapter, a plug, laptop charging plug. I'm sitting in my personal room right now, so you will see the same object showing up few times. And this is a slightly older analysis, and then you will see again adapter, plug, PC, electronics, a computer has been found, furniture, and a table. So it could find those items in the frames, and that has been uploaded into this DynamoDB database. So that's pretty much about this application, Python application, which using a serverless technology stores the frames into S3 and also performs recognition based analysis and stores in the DynamoDB. Now let's talk about this other standalone application, again hosted on Red Hat OpenShift platform. This one has two components. It can perform an image analysis and it can perform a video analysis. So let's take a look at the image analysis. Let's take a look at this picture first and see what it can do. So here we have a male photograph, right? So let's try to find a male in this picture. That's our target object. And now you see that it found male, and then you heard that notification on my smartphone saying that a male has been actually found in the stream with a 98% confidence. If I change the picture to some other photograph, oh no, this same picture, then you still see a male, but the confidence level will go down. So this is the analysis of the other image, and you see that the confidence level has gone down. And I again should get another notification on my smartphone with this low level of confidence. Similarly, on the video analysis side, I have linked this application to my S3 bucket. So I have this video in my S3 bucket, OpenHack 2020 v1.mp4, and this can hang on, I have just too many windows open at this stage. V1, and I'll try to find a computer because I know that the video has computer in this, and I'll analyze this. So breaks this into different frames, and there you go. So now you have the video that we captured and the items that it found, and it says that the computer was found with a confidence of 100%. So that's pretty much I wanted to show you. I will talk about more use cases, next plans, how we have done it, and all that in my presentation that I will share with this video. Thank you so much.